Zen's Mowers coming at you guys. You know what this is by the title. This is my Toro Smartstow mower. I've had this exactly 1 year today. This, powering it, is a Briggs & Stratton 7 1/4 163cc guaranteed to start overhead valve engine from Briggs & Stratton. It sits on a 22-inch mowing deck. And by the way, this is a recycler mower, and it's got Toro's bagger. I know it's so dirty. This is the Smartstow that I'll be showing you in a minute. You can close your bagger or open it. And this is the side mulching chute, which just lift this cover up and pull this out. But I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys what's going on. Now, I've had this mower 1 year today. I use this not only at my house, I do run a little yard cutting service. So I take this just about everywhere I go. I know I have my other mower, but this is the star of the fleet here. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Smartstow in the next segment. And later on in the video, there's going to be some more segments. Some segments from last year when I got the mower. I'm going to show you guys a nice lawn that I cut. And I'm going to show you guys the first video I ever made on this. So just keep watching and I'll see you soon. Back showing you guys the Smartstow feature. I know I should have probably used this when I serviced this blade and undercarriage. But I'm going to show you guys how this works. These tabs back here, when this mower is down on the ground, I'll walk you back through it. Just take it down. Then you lock it in place when you want to use the mower. Let it sit down. When you're done using it and you want to free up space in the garage, pop the two tabs again, fold the handle, lock the tabs, and your mower, it sits up like this. This is a no-leak dip tube that Briggs & Stratton makes. You'll want to make sure that seal is in tight. But anyway, now comes time for the segments from last year that I discussed. And I'll see you when I start cutting with this. This will be me starting up the Toro Recycler 22-inch mower from Home Depot. I just brought home. Back for the last part of this. Just walking you around the stripes. I know there's thatch back here. And there's some nice areas where I cut with that Toro over there. There's an area I got to cut over here. Go ahead and film. I'm going to film this with me cutting this. I don't know how straight it's going to be, but it's what it's going to have to be. I'll show you how good of a machine this is. I got some other mowers to test, so I'm leaving some of this yard to be cut later. These lines are probably going to be a little crooked because this is a one-handed operation. Go ahead and pass with one more stripe. And just let go of the choke like that, and there you go. But I had a new subscriber today. His name is Mountain Bike Kayak. I'll post his link in my description of this. There's going to be the link to the Zen's Tiger Talon Mowers Facebook page. And this is it for this video. Like the video, comment, hit the notification button to get our latest posts. And subscribe to the channel if you're new. Have a nice day.